Welcome to another Into the Wild episode. On this one, I take my man to see the Grand Canyon for the first time, in the middle of winter, with little plans and a car full of camping gear. It's also a surprise, so come along and find out how we brave the cold in this beautiful part of the world. Hiking in the snow. Look at this fancy hipster guy drinking matcha for the first time.
What?
Second time actually, but this is the first fancy matcha cocktail.
Cocktail.
And what's the rating?
It's pretty good, surprisingly. It's pretty good.
So is that like a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10?
I mean, 10 out of 10 from what it is.
What?
I mean, it's not my favorite drink,
Choo
but
choo.
from what it is.
I mean, for matcha cocktail.
Yeah,
Matcha, I mean, like coffee drink, I guess.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway. Makes no sense to him.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on our way to a surprise destination.
For surprise. On our way to a surprise.
And but we didn't sleep that much last night or this morning, so we're stopping for a break, a quick 5-minute nap.
Well, it's already been 5 minutes.
No, but we didn't nap yet. We're gonna go outside and check out the desert because it's stormy and it looks beautiful
And warming, and hot,
and hot.
and not cold at all, not gloomy, not that girl who's like nothing.
Baby, please don't you ever feel like you're nothing. Oh, that's a perfect. Well, it's now snowing on us, which we did not expect. So hopefully it's gonna mellow down, but doesn't look promising. Making me feel a little nervous. A lot of the people that visit the US have the Grand Canyon on their must-see list of places. But a lot of the time, they do not realize how far it is from the main international areas, like Los Angeles. The drive from LA to the Grand Canyon is long, really long, but not too bad. Just make sure you expect a long drive, so come prepared with a great playlist and conversation points. Okay, before we made it to the Grand Canyon entrance, let's see, after 7.5 hours driving. Welcome in. Oops, not yet. How you feeling, babe?
Ready to go to sleep.
Jesus.
Ready and loved.
Private vehicle, that's it. 35 for 7 days. We're gonna get the pass.
Lifetime.
Okay, we made it to our campsite.
Yep.
Let me show you. That's not our tent. Where is the fire pit? Oh, I see the fire pit.
It's cold.
No, it's
Really
not.
cold.
No.
Yes, it is. The sun is the savior of us all.
Okay, we can sit up here, Amor. I'm being judged for wearing sandals and
In this cold
PJs
weather,
and
you're
a
being judged for
t-shirt.
this. Look, this and that. Jesus.
So it's supposed to be like 37 degrees Fahrenheit, which I don't know what that is in Celsius. But it's not that cold.
It's like the hotel.
Soon after setting camp, we headed for a sunset walk on the Rim Trail. This hike is ideal for those that are short on time but still wish to see the vastness of the Grand Canyon. Welcome to the Grand Canyon.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath.
This is breakfast. For Leash. For the hottest person. And
Some cacahuates. That's what it's missing.
are you ready for the most intense hike of your life?
Yes. Let's go.
You're drinking wine? Yes.
It's water.
Yeah, that's my boy. Look at that. Okay, we are at the close to the South Kaibab Trail. We're gonna hike about 3 miles in. Oh, let me get the map. Oh,
New fast forward.
already in the South Kaibab.
Wasn't ready for this. I guess who's the one that wasn't ready for this?
The guy that brought the brand new shoes.
Yes. Fortunately. Well, you haven't seen the worst yet. When I fall, it's gonna be the worst.
I have it on camera, but
starts raining. Yeah, it's gonna.
The wind got a bit stronger. The clouds grew bigger and darker. With the rain quickly approaching from out the horizon, we had to decide our turnaround point. So we picked up the pace to make sure that we will make it to Skeleton Point before going up.
And now, what do we have? Rain. Got it.
We made it. Skeleton Point. Where's the skeleton?
There's a river. Like it's called Kaibab river. This ain't gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun, babe. So here's the thing. The rain is chasing us, and I think it's going to be here any minute. But we want to be able to see the Colorado River from this trail and then turn back around. If we don't, we're still going to have to turn back around. You see it? Oh, let's see it. Oh yeah! Oh my God! There's the river!
It's all worth it. Let's see. Maybe not.
Oh, hello, river. It's crazy how for millions of years, the Colorado River has helped shape this canyon. On your visit, make sure to read about the history and what it has taken place throughout millions of years for our eyes to admire such natural beauty. Wow. Okay, it's time to put the camera away, all the electronics, and get the heck out of here because it's raining. I think so.
Still too hot.
Meat steak for lunch. Oh, some hummus, potato chips, tuna, not this one, and some more, but we're just gonna quickly take a break before I read.
But the clouds are coming this way. Are they going there?
For a moment, the storm seemed to be changing direction. A bit of the sky opened up to let some sun rays shine in. It was like the calm after the storm. What do you think, Martina? It's beautiful.
First time ever walking in the snow.
Oh, hiking in the snow.
Walking.
And walking. I'm hiking, he's walking. If I had to use one word to describe this moment, I would say magical. The sense of freedom and adventure I get when I'm out in nature is the best feeling, as cliche as it may sound. And getting snowed in while hiking was a first for both of us, so I for sure could not stop smiling. Good morning. We got snowed in today. It's a campsite. We got snowed in last night. Now we're just packing. All this was covered in snow. All the roads and everything, and now we're just packing to get going to the next destination. Good morning. Bonjour. It's time to leave camp, and I think we're gonna head north to Antelope Canyon, and then hopefully get to see it, but we don't know yet very well. So we're just going with the flow and kind of trying to outrun the storm, so we'll see. Filling up with some water for the road. We're gonna stop by Starbucks for coffee. It doesn't want to. I hope you can make your visit to this magical place, and if possible, make it a winter adventure as well. Thank you for watching. Hey. Say bye to the Grand Canyon.
Bye-bye. See you another time.
And we're out. Are we visible on the camera?
Well, I am. Just turn right.
Say hi to the camera!
Hi to the camera.
What? How do you feel?
I'm pretty good. My tomato cake is really nice.
You're not feeling nervous at all about this?
You're a good driver. I trust you.
It's not me, babe, it's the car.
It's a good car. It's Japanese. I also trust the Japanese.
I don't know.
Baby, did you okay? Jesus. I sleep a little bit long. Then just 8:20. We're like, oh, it's still early. 8:20.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye. Love you guys.